Hi friends, I'm so excited to give another school shout out to Creation Village World School in Celebration, Florida, right next door to one of the happiest places on earth, which is Disney World. I had the opportunity to deliver two workshops at this school. Play-based learning with the early years team with Sarah and Ellie and Connie and so many more. And then I returned to work with their elementary team. And this was with Gemma, Nalani, Narali, so many, Megan, Stephanie, Jocelyn, just to name a few. And during this time, I really became attached to this team. And due to some changes, I was able to support the team during the spring of 2023. And it was such an amazing experience because I really grew as a practitioner and really felt like I helped at least be a sounding board for unit creation. But it's more than that. It's about the disposition of the people that really resonates and why I want to remember people. And I'm going to share an experience that still has touched my heart so much. So while I was there the second time, I got a phone call right before I got picked up from the principal or the head of school. Derek, he picked me up along with his daughter. And right before I got picked up, I got a phone call from my dad that someone had broken my window in. I was like, what? Someone broke looking for something. And I was so shocked that when I got in the car, I started talking about it and starting to fret a little bit. And then, of course, I quickly changed the subject because a little girl's in the back. And I go on with my morning. I'm getting set up, and in comes, right before the workshop starts, in comes the headmaster's wife, Nalani. And she hands me this little bag, and she said, okay, well, my daughter told me to give you this bag. And I was like, what is this? And she goes, she told me it would help you with your situation. And I was like, I can feel it. I don't know if you can hear it, but they're coins. And I was like, I don't feel comfortable taking this. And she goes, Lou, she told me, Mom, you have to get this bag and you have to give it to her. She needs it more than me. That to me is the disposition of taking authentic and meaningful action. This little bag of coins, I think I will treasure for the rest of my life. And that is the type of disposition that's being created at this school, created in this wonderful family, is that it's about not only nurturing ourselves, but nurturing our community and making sure that everyone's taken care of. And this school, these teachers like Barbara and Stephanie and Megan and Jocelyn and Jessie B, they all touched my heart. They're people who are still in my life, and I just love them because they are so passionate about what they do and they want to do what's right for kids. And I think that is why I still know them. And I'm going to see some of them next month. And I'm going to add Nerali into the mix. And this to me is the power of community, and it's growing, and you know, there's always nuances, but you know what? At the end of the day, it speaks a lot to why people want to come to school. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Creation Village. I love you, and I know that you've been thriving this year, and I can't wait to see many of you next month.